Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Barbie AB, and I'm back with another video for you guys.
I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get some DIY lash extensions with some strip lashes. So if you want to find out how I did this, keep watching. So I just picked up some strip lashes from the hair store, and I actually picked up 2 packs. I'm sorry I didn't get the packaging of what kind they were, but they're just some regular strip lashes from the hair store. And I'm just showing you how I'm doing the first one. Y'all see better later on in the video, but basically I'm just cutting the lashes. The type of glue I'm using will be just the regular hair glue you see at every hair store. And like I said, you guys will see better later on down in the video. But I'm basically putting the glue on top of the lash instead of on the bottom, like when you're putting on regular strip lashes. I'm putting it on top of the lash piece that I cut because it's gonna go under my eye. As you can see, it's gonna go under, but you guys will see better later on in the video, so just keep watching.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, baby, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spending my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Okay, so now I have one full strip on. I'm just gonna brush these out. And like I said, I told you guys I bought 2 packs, so yes, I will be putting on 2 lashes. So yeah, now I'm actually showing you guys how I'm cutting them. And basically you're just gonna cut like in between those little holes. Really, you can cut them like in 2s, or you can do 1. It's just all your preference. But yeah, I will be putting on 2 pairs of lashes, guys. Now I'm adding the second lash, and I basically you could just put these wherever you want to, really, but I think I used every single piece, but you can really just, you know, fill them in where you want them to be thick at. But like I said, I put on 2 full pairs. I like my lashes to be thick. And you know, if you get them from the hair store, they're not really going to be that thick. You feel what I'm saying? So I kind of finessed the game and used 2. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching to the end to see the full outcome. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.